Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you guys how I do my beachy waves. It's very effortless, it's nice and easy. I don't like curling my hair very often, I mean I do, but I feel like my hair doesn't hold a curl very often just because I have so much hair, it's so long, it is down to my hips. Well, no, it's not down to my hips, it's kind of like almost to my belly button actually. But I find when I curl it, it doesn't actually hold a curl because it's so heavy and because it's so long. So I'm actually going to show you guys how I actually crimp my hair. So I use this. This is like my best friend. This is so old and it's so broken. Like I need a new one. It usually like clasps to keep it closed there, but it doesn't. It's actually broken. So this is it closed and then this is it open. But it's actually broken and it doesn't work the same way that it used to, but I still absolutely love it. This is the Conair Pro Beauty Tools. I think it's called like a waver, but anything with this like U-shaped thing going on is perfect for this. It is absolutely wonderful. So one of my absolute favorite heat protectants is the Way Moisture Memory Mist. I absolutely love this product. I use this in my kit. I use this on my clients. It's one of my favorites. I like to use wet brushes. This one is like super old and ratty and it's super gross, but I just use it on myself. So I always brush out my hair first. I like to go layer by layer. So I'm just going to go behind my ears, right at the top of my ears, and kind of split my hair there. So then you get this like back part going on right there. And this is like the oldest clip ever, but I got these at Ardene's when I was like, I think I was like in grade 7. I don't know if you guys remember, but remember the whole ponytail and then you clip the ponytail? I used to wear those like crazy. So that is from those good old days. I just take the Way spray and I just lightly mist it. I take about like a 1 to 2 inch section and then I just clamp, hold for about like 6 seconds. And then you see like you get that wave. So then I just move it down to where the last wave is. So that is kind of what you get. And then yeah, like I said, I just move it down to the last wave and just keep going. And I like to leave out the ends of my, and it's okay if it's messy and not perfect, like that's the whole point of this look. And like I said, don't worry too much about the ends, they're gonna look a little crazy. But like I said, I'm gonna go in and actually curl the ends after just to give it more of a beachy, messy type of look. I wish my hair held like a beautiful, long, luscious wave, but my hair is just so heavy that it doesn't. And I have tried the most expensive products ever. Like I have a T3 curler and I can't. I used to have this curler that I loved and it was like you could change out the barrels on it and it was like 6 different types of wands in one and it was the best curler ever, but it died on me and I've had that curler since like grade 7. That was a long time ago. I was 12. That was 12 years ago and that curler just crapped out on me like last year, but it was my favorite and I think I got it from Winners. So then I like to part my hair in about 4 sections just because my hair is thicker and I have a lot of it. And then again go in with my Way Memory Mist. And then I just continue until I am finished. Okay, so when I actually get at the top, instead of curling it out, I actually like to flip the crimper upside down, and I like to clamp it this way. I just find that it doesn't give you like as crazy of like a hairline. So this is what my hair looks like after it is crimped. So this is the ends of my hair. It definitely has a lot more volume and it's a lot more messy. So I'm gonna show you how I kind of tame my bangs and like the ends. So I'm just waiting for my curling iron to heat up, but I like to use a tapered barrel. I find that it gives you more piecier, messier, beachier kind of waves. A curling iron, and I just kind of go over it at the ends and just curl them a little bit. I don't hold it for very long because I don't want that like definite curl. I just kind of want to like not have the ends poking out so much. I do this like really messy. I don't even like layer my hair for this. So it just kind of gives it that, it's hard to see because my hair is so dark, but it just kind of gives it like a piecier texture. I am gonna curl this one just because this one looks a little weird. And I like to focus it more on my bangs just because the bangs do get a little janky. And I always curl like away from my face. You know, it's so funny because like I'm so good at doing like other people's hair with bridal stuff, but as soon as it comes to my hair, I'm like, I don't really care. Sometimes I'll take like a texturizing spray and kind of spray it throughout my hair. Or if I feel like my hair needs a little bit of volume, like right here, I think I do, I'll kind of go in and just like tease it just slightly, just so I don't have that like boxy haired look. Kind of do that, and I just scrunch it. One of my absolute like favorite products that I have been absolutely living for lately is this Amica Velveteen Dream Smoothing Balm. So it smells delicious and it like smooths out your hair so good. So you literally need like the tiniest amount. Oh, I wish you guys could smell this like through. And then I kind of just comb it through my hair and just like tame the frizz. That is how I curl slash messy. It is super simple. It's not very complicated at all. Literally like 3 products. You don't even need to do the curling iron at the end. Like I barely do it. I just like to fix my bangs. If you guys have any other like hair tutorials that you would like me to do, if you'd like me to do some bridal tutorials, let me know. I would absolutely love to do that for you guys. Thank you guys for watching my video. If you guys want any other tutorials, please let me know by commenting down in the comments. I'd love to hear what you guys want to see. Other than that, I hope you guys have a great night or day wherever you are, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!